وآل Muhammad. I hope you all had a good rest. We purposely had a late start so you could rest well, and we have a long day today. You can survive the whole day.
As long as there's meat. You can survive.
We are now on our way to Kalupur. Kalupur basically is one of the oldest Jamaats of Gujarat. We now have two Jamaats in Gujarat. One is called as Kalupur, the old Jamaat, and the other is Sarkhej, which is the new Jamaat. Sarkhej basically is a new developed place, and Kalupur is the old place. So you'll have old roads like Dongri area, and Kalupur is something similar to a Bandra or Andheri area of Mumbai. We'll be joined by Dr. Ali Raza Khund, whom we met last night. Dr. Ali Raza Khund is a pediatrician by profession. He also has his own practice in a hospital which is owned by him. And he has a lot of passion for Khoja history. And that's why he's a part of the Khoja Heritage Project. He will be joining us directly at Kalupur. He will talk to us about the whole history of Kalupur, followed by the history of Haji Naji. What we have heard so far about Haji Naji is the history of Bhavnagar and of Vartej. Now we'll hear about Ahmedabad. So what was Haji Naji's contribution towards Ahmedabad? One of the major contributions was the Qabristan. So the Qabristan where we are going, the whole plot was purchased by him and gifted to the Jamaat. We will be getting a chance to look at the documentation which is signed by Haji Naji himself, where he was the buyer. We'll also be seeing the Haji Naji Quran, the one that he had translated into Gujarati from Arabic. That also we have the first original copy which we'll get a chance to see. That's for Kalupur. After that we will have Jamaat Namaz in Kalupur itself, followed by lunch, and then we will leave from there to go to a tourist spot called as Sarkhej Roza. It's not a Khoja site, it's not a Shia site, but it is of the ruler of Ahmedabad, the ruler of those days. The reason why Ahmedabad got its name as Ahmedabad is because Ahmed Abad. Abad means the one who makes the place flourish. That's why the name Ahmed Abad. We also have a place called Ahmed Nagar in Maharashtra. But you see, because of the influence of the non-Muslim politicians, the names have changed over time. So the original name Ahmedabad is now called as Ahmedabad to suit the Gujaratis. And then in a very subtle way, the name Ahmed Abad gets wiped off and is replaced by Ahmedabad. So we will go to that particular Roza. It's called as Roza, but it was basically his palace and his darbar. And we'll also get to see how he used to manage the whole place in Sarkhej Roza. After Sarkhej Roza, we will be going to the Sarkhej new Khoja Community Center, called as the Mahadi Community Center, in which WF has been investing heavily for the community to come and settle over there. There's going to be an Imam Barga, plus a community hall, a hostel, plus flats to stay, all in one structure. There will be a very short visit, followed by the Sarkhej new Qabristan. We are going now to the Kalupur Qabristan, the oldest Qabristan, which is now full. So the community here has bought a new Qabristan, so we get to see the new Qabristan plot. We will be having a presentation by the Sarkhej Jamaat over there itself, followed by dinner. So we aim to be back home by 9:30 in the evening. So we will be having Zohar Asr Namaz at Kalupur and Maghrib Isha Namaz at Sarkhej. That's the program for the day. Thank you. And this is one of the oldest Qabristans of Ahmedabad. The 1906. Do you remember when was the Mumbai Kabristan plot purchased?
1901.
1901. So just in a matter of 5 years, we had this Kabristan. Okay, this was, as I mentioned, a gift from Haji Naji to the Jamaat. We have with us Dr. Ali Raza Khund, who is our local historian. He will not just give us the whole history of the Ahmedabad Khoja as well as the Arabagh over here. He will also touch on Haji Naji's contribution in Ahmedabad. At the same time, he's also going to show us a few things, which is the original documentation of this place, as well as the first Quran which was published by Haji Naji in Gujarati. We heard about the Gujarati short story as to how he convinced the people to print a Quran in Gujarati, how he had resistance. Inshallah, the doctor will again touch on that topic to jog our memories. And after this, we'll be having Jamaat Namaz right here, for which again Murda Haider will lead the prayers. So let's welcome Dr. Ali Raza Khund with loud salawat.
This is the Haji Naji Kabristan in Ahmedabad.
ખબર પડી ગઈ કે જો આપણે ઇસ્માઇલી બી લેવું હશે તો આ બધું તો પહેલા કાઢવું પડશે જે પીર લોકો ઘુસાડી લઈ ગયા છે. પીર લોકોએ જે ઇસ્લામ આપ્યો હતો પૂજાઓને એ તો 90% હિન્દુઇઝમ 10% ઇસ્લામ હતું. એટલે ત્યારે ઇસ્માઇલિઝમ વાળા પાસે ગઢ પાટની પૂજા